Orai Thulunga NGO, in collaboration with the Central Institute of Horticulture, CIH Medziphema, Nagaland, successfully conducted a mushroom cultivation training program at Silputa, a small village in Udalguri, BTR Assam, on the 21st February 2025. With a vision to promote sustainable farming and enhance livelihood opportunities, the training brought together 50 enthusiastic participants from the village. The program was led by Bhupesh Baglari, an RCT Certificate Holder in mushroom cultivation, who provided comprehensive theoretical knowledge and hands-on practical training on mushroom farming. Participants learned about different mushroom varieties, cultivation techniques, proper substrate preparation, environmental management, and harvesting methods. The practical session allowed them to gain real experience in setting up mushroom beds, maintaining optimal growing conditions, and handling post-harvest processes. This initiative aims to equip local farmers with the necessary skills to start their own mushroom farming businesses, creating additional income sources and fostering self-reliance in rural communities. Through such training programs, Orai Thulunga NGO continues to support skill-based development, sustainable agriculture, and rural empowerment. Stay connected for more impactful initiatives.